Well, this is our new place. 1002. Hi, Jackson. We're going to tell them all about it. This is, let's see here. We've lived in 1, 2, 3. This is number 4 for Mom and Dad. Here's the kitchen. It looks out into the living room. Thought we'd actually show you the place. We should actually start filming all of our homes since we're going to have to be moving so much, huh, Jax? This is the dining room. This is the living room. Piano that Daddy loves to move. Almost as much as he loves to move the table. Fireplace. The first time we've had a fireplace. Except for I'm not allowed to put any holes into that wallpaper that I love so much. So that's all I can do with it right now. There's the front door again. A little mini mudroom here. Down the hall goes into a side laundry room that you can close, which is nice. You can close it for me, Jack. Into the guest bathroom. And then into Jax's room. Huh. Fun wall art that he's got. And then the last room is Mom and Dad's room, which is the messiest because poor Dad is so busy he hasn't had time to unpack, and this is the only thing Mommy does not know what to do with. It's all this stuff. And then the master bath. And that's about it. So, this is our lovely house. We like it. We like it. Yes, we do, huh, Jax? Oh, one last thing. Got a little patio area that's screened in here. It's a little bit of storage. So, that is our house. And this is all of Jax's toys, huh? Oh, can you say hi? Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye.